Local news for Wednesday, the 12th of February. Masterton District Council's public consultation on a review of speeds on some urban and rural roads around the district, including Masterton CBD, will now take place after the 19th of February. Changes have been recommended after engagement with the stakeholders, and 4 weeks of public consultation will also be undertaken. The Wairarapa Art Review, featuring art by 57 local artists, will have the People's Choice winner revealed in just a few days' time. There's still time to vote at Aratoi, with the winner receiving $500, which will be presented on Sunday. The Featherston and Greytown Community Boards by-election have seen 2 people per town put their hand up for the community boards, with voting closing on the 18th of February at midday. Residents have until then to have their say. And good luck to those competing tonight in the Wairarapa Touch Rugby Series, with semi-finals action to take place, with the first rounds kicking off at 6 o'clock at Colombo Road. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.